Islam, which means submission or surrender in Arabic, is a monotheistic religion that began in the 7th century CE. It was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, by the angel Jibreel over a period of 23 years in the Arabian Peninsula. Muslims believe that Islam represents the final and complete message from God to humanity. Islam is built upon 5 pillars, which serve as the foundation of a Muslim's life. The first pillar is the Shahada, the declaration of faith, which states, "There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger." This declaration signifies the acceptance of monotheism and the prophethood of Muhammad, peace be upon him. The second pillar is Salah, the ritual prayer performed 5 times a day. Muslims offer their prayers facing the Kaaba, the holiest site in Islam, located in the city of Mecca, Saudi Arabia. The third pillar is Zakat, the obligatory act of giving to charity. Muslims are encouraged to donate a portion of their wealth to help the less fortunate and fulfill their societal obligations. The fourth pillar is Sawm, the fasting during the month of Ramadan. Muslims abstain from food, drink, and other physical needs from dawn until sunset, focusing on spiritual reflection, self-discipline, and increased devotion to Allah. The fifth pillar is Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca that every able-bodied Muslim is required to undertake at least once in their lifetime, if financially and physically feasible. Hajj symbolizes unity, equality, and the ultimate submission to Allah. Islam places great importance on knowledge and learning. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, serves as the ultimate source of guidance for Muslims. It covers various aspects of life, including spirituality, morality, social justice, and personal conduct. In addition to the Quran, Muslims also follow the Hadith, the recorded sayings, actions, and approvals of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which provide practical examples of living a righteous life. Islam emphasizes the importance of morality, compassion, and kindness towards all of creation. It promotes justice, mercy, and respect for the rights and dignity of every individual, regardless of their race, nationality, or social status. Islam is a diverse religion, with Muslims residing in various parts of the world and belonging to different cultures and ethnicities. Despite these differences, the faith unites its followers through a common belief system, rituals, and shared values. In conclusion, Islam is a comprehensive way of life that provides guidance for Muslims in their spiritual, social, and personal endeavors. It fosters a deep connection with Allah and encourages Muslims to lead virtuous lives while contributing positively